In addition to providing picture and board books and music, each Family Place library features a specially designed interactive early childhood space within the children's area, open all hours the library is open. This area features open-ended toys such as blocks, manipulatives, dramatic play items, puzzles, dolls, cars, and trucks. And it sends a clear message to parents and caregivers that books and reading and toys and child-directed play go hand in hand, and both are essential for early literacy and learning. Through our programs, collections, and room designs, we convey this message consistently and often. Family Place library staff also gently nurture and model book sharing and play for parents in an informal and joyful way that encourages parents in these activities, both in the library and at home. This space also includes resources for parents and caregivers on child development, early learning, parenting, and it makes it a convenient one-stop resource for families with little ones. Another key element of Family Place is the Parent-Child Workshop, a 5-week series for toddlers, parents, and caregivers. Fun and play-based, this program provides an environment rich with toys, books, and art activities. The toddlers enter the room and their eyes light up. It also provides an opportunity for families to spend time together, make friends, and talk one-on-one with early childhood and family support specialists. Library staff circulate throughout the program, encouraging parents to observe and participate in their children's activity choices. During each session of the program, a local early childhood expert specializing in either speech and language, nutrition, child development, or play and movement moves throughout the program and casually interacts with parents and caregivers, sharing information, answering questions, and addressing parental concerns about their child.